in the celebration of the Holy Mass. This is an opportunity for us to say thank you in a very special way. Special, not only because you are all here, but also because God is love and He is with us.
Together with Reverend Father Joe Calaraal MS, let us all stand and sing the entrance hymn.
National Anthem to be led by Mrs. Carla Vanessa Briones Legisma and Mr. Ruel Omar.
Ating kantahin ng malakas at ng buong puso ang ating pambansang awit.
Let us give her a warm round of applause.
Tataya sa mamaya ko. Good morning, everyone. It is my great joy to welcome all of you to this very special day. We are very happy to see our parents, teachers, and friends here with us today as we celebrate our moving up to grade 1. We, dear children, have been waiting for this special moment. Today, we will receive our certificates to show that we have learned many wonderful things this school year. And fellow graduates, let us give a big round of applause to our dear parents and teachers who help us and guide us every step of the way. Thank you for your love and support. Once again, welcome everyone and enjoy our celebration. Thank you.
Thank you, Christy. And now, young learners who have successfully completed the requirements of the preschool program. At this time, I would like to invite Mrs. Cheryl Esmeralda Sigarandang, our grade school assistant principal, to present the candidates for moving on. This will be followed by the formal acceptance and confirmation to be given by our well-respected school president and grade school principal, Ms. Luz Viminda C. Pabel.
Mrs. Belinda C. Pabelia, Grade School Principal and President of the College of St. Benedict of Novaliches Incorporated, I have the honor to present to you the 30 candidates for moving on. 15 of whom are boys, and 15 are girls, of the College of St. Benedict of Novaliches Incorporated for the school year 2025 to 2026. They have satisfactorily completed all the requirements for preschool curriculum prescribed by the Department of Education, and they are eligible for moving up. May I therefore request Mrs. Belinda C. Tabella to confirm their moving up.
Smile. Look at me, mga anak. By the authority vested upon me by the Department of Education, I, who's Belinda C. Fabella, Grade School Principal and President of the College of St. Benedict of Novaliches Incorporated, do hereby declare you completers of the preschool curriculum for school year 2025-2026. Congratulations, everyone. A big round of applause for our completers.
You will receive your prized diploma and symbol of your success. Now, may I request Ms. Luz Biminda Sibabella and Mrs. Chariot Esmeralda Sigaranda to lead the distribution of diplomas and medals, assisted by Mrs. Catherine P. Rogan and Mrs. Mylene T. Sampag. May I also request our dear parents or guardians to accompany their child on stage once their name is called. Now, to introduce the completers of prep, may I call on Miss Alexa V. Empazas.
Good morning, everyone, and welcome. It's a great honor to be here today to witness the achievements of completers 2025-2026. Let's give them a warm round of applause. As we begin the boulder events, let us start with the boys. Ibrahim Amin Beyonce. Holo, Isaiah, Marshall, and Wig Honors. And the last one, Lara Isabel B.
Graduation day. Today we finish prep and we are ready to go to grade 1. In our prep class, we learn many things. We learn how to read, write, count and be kind. We met our friends and kind teachers. We played, sang, learned, and had fun together. To our dear parents, thank you for your love and care. Thank you for helping us and supporting us every day. Because of you, we became brave to reach our dreams. To my mommy and daddy, I love you. To our school, thank you for being our second home. Thank you for keeping us safe and helping us learn. To our teachers, thank you for teaching us and taking care of us. Thank you for your patience and kindness. We will always remember you. To my classmates, congratulations to us. Let us continue to do our best and make our parents and teachers proud. Above all, thank you to God for blessing us and guiding us every day. I'm Isa Hilary, a talent, a proud teacher, and a proud Benedict team. Thank you and have a good day.
Thank you, Isa, for the truly heartfelt speech. Ladies and gentlemen, journey ahead. With the love of your parents and guidance of your teachers, you are ready to shine in grade 1. Once again, congratulations to parents and congratulations to your wonderful parents and guardians. That is how we see it.
You will follow mommy and daddy. Pag sinabi, hindi pwedeng mag-swimming mag-isa. Huwag mag-swimming mag-isa. Ay, hindi ka nagsuswimming. Okay, sige. Basta, mabait tayo, ha? Susunod kay Lola, kay Lolo, ha? Kay Mami, kay Daddy. Okay? Okay. Congratulations again.
Pagod na siya, pagod na. Nag-smile na siya. Kasama na. tayo ha, baka makabangga.